Hi, good day everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how you can join major launch pool on Bybit. Launch pool is when you stake your cryptocurrency, your assets, in order to earn other cryptocurrency. And this is just like a risk-free investment because your funds are going to be returned back to you after the staking duration. Okay, so this is how you can go about it. You want to click on more. All right, then if you cannot find launch pool here, you click here to search for it, but this is it. You click on the launch pool. The major launch pool is ongoing, and the price pool for major is 1 million major. The APR here is 164.86% APR. Staking ends in 2 days. All right, then you can stake MNT to earn major, but one of the disadvantages of staking MNT is that MNT is not a stable coin, and the price can either go up or down due to market fluctuation. All right, and another one you can stake with is staking USDT to earn major. USDT is a stable coin, so the value of your asset is not going to increase or depreciate, and you are still going to get the price they are going to give you in major token. All right, another one you can stake is ton, to stake ton to get major. Ton also is not a stable currency, so the market fluctuation also affects ton. All right, so I will be going with USDT. I want to stake USDT. All right, the total staked so far is 93 million plus USDT, and total participants is 76,000 plus people that has participated in this launch pool. All right, so I will be clicking on stake to earn. The minimum amount you can stake is 100 to 2000 USDT. All right, then if your money is on Unify account on Bybit, you need to move it, or as in transfer it to funding account in order to be able to stake it. Okay, the estimated APR here is now 80.93. The staking has been for some time. All right, so I want to stake USDT. Let me click mass. I'll be staking 100 USDT. Then I click on this box here. I have read and agreed to the launch pool service agreement. All right, then I confirm. Successfully staked. Calculation starts on the 25th of this month, and distribution as well starts on the 25th of this month. All right, let me view the staking order. Okay, this is my staking order. Launch pool staking history. Okay, all right, then under the launch pool staking history, we have total invested in USD, then total yield in USD, and today's yield in USD. We should be able to see figures here and here once it started reading. All right, you can also decide to unstake. Okay, then auto redemption dates. It means my USDT will be refunded or returned back to my account automatically on 27th of this month. So let's see how it goes. You can also give it a try. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, do well to remember to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and also turn on your notification bell, because I will be dropping further updates. Alright, and let's grow this community together. Have a good day.